Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to answer this question that I got. So they were asking about applying for a credit card on Credit Karma, or should they apply directly on a website? That's basically what I feel like the question is asking. And I want to make this video because I found that there is two ways to increase your chances of getting approved for a credit card. And this comment right here is kind of one of the major things I want to point out. So stick around, you guys. I want to tell you both ways you guys can get approved for more credit cards. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below in the comments. Make sure you guys like this video and also make sure that you guys subscribe. So the question about Credit Karma, I have found that when you guys apply for credit cards through Credit Karma, there is a greater chance of getting approved. Everybody should have an account with Credit Karma because you can get your credit score with Equifax and you can get it with TransUnion, and they're going to give you your reports, and every day they both will update. Equifax, they just started updating every day. Now, they have a lot of credit cards listed. I believe it's like 80 something credit cards last time I checked, if not more. Now, I found that when you apply for a credit card through Credit Karma, your chances of getting approved is increased. And they'll have these same credit. You'll see it just like this when you log in, but you'll see recommendations, and they'll give you a percentage saying how good of a chance you have at getting approved for a certain credit card. They'll tell you what's your odds, and then they'll tell you which credit cards they want you to apply for. So if there is a credit card you want to get, then come here and check first. Now look at these comments right here. These comments is basically saying that when they looked on Credit Karma, the credit card that I was telling them about did not have an annual fee. So that means that Credit Karma is better anyway, because you can come here and get credit cards that has different rates, meaning that it would be cheaper. If you don't have an annual fee, that is perfect. So for me to have a credit card and I go to the website or I have a certain offer I'll show you guys, and they say, hey, an annual fee is attached to it, and you can come here on Credit Karma, it has no annual fee, then you definitely want to come on Credit Karma to compare it. Now, the chances of getting approved too, to me, is greater when you apply on Credit Karma, because there is an incentive for Credit Karma to put these credit cards up. So they do want to make sure everybody is actually getting approved. And then they also have little community here where you guys can look at different reviews, so you guys can learn more about like these different credit cards. Now, that is one way where you guys can increase your odds of getting approved for a credit card. And I'm telling you guys, when I first started with credit, it was easier to go to Credit Karma and find credit cards. I didn't know about credit cards. So I came here, I found some credit cards. So you guys come here, find the credit cards. And if you see one, you may like it, see what's the approval odds on it. And then if you want to apply for it, then you can definitely apply for it. Now, to me, this is the greatest reason why people are getting approved for more credit cards. This right here is a secret sauce, and I think that a lot of people is not paying attention to it. Now, let me show you what that is. I tell people, when I'm on calls with people, I tell them I only apply for credit cards that can pre-qualify you. So I made 3 different videos. So if you see right here, I made this video for TransUnion only credit cards, and all these credit cards can pre-qualify you, meaning that you can get pre-qualified for them without a hard inquiry. And then I also made one for Equifax. These are all credit cards that's going to pull Equifax. You guys can get pre-qualified for without a hard inquiry. Now, some of them, you know, check and see if you guys will have that hard inquiry. But remember, inquiry should not be a problem in this community at this point. We should be worried about inquiries. So make sure you guys check out the videos. And then I have the last one for Experian. So this one right here is the Experian video where you guys can see which credit cards will Experian. So she asked to comment, and I made a video for her, and then I decided, let me do it with all 3 credit bureaus because, all 3 credit bureaus, because everybody is asking about that. Now, remember, they can pre-qualify you for some credit cards. And if you guys were to scroll down some, I believe some of these, I may have them all pinned. I may have pinned the comment where I would list all of the credit cards, and they're not pinned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin that comment so you guys can have that list of the credit cards. Let's see. I'm going to pin it. Okay, so I have these pinned here. I don't have them pinned for all of them, but I'll go ahead and fix the ones that's not pinned. But y'all watch the video, right? And then find out which ones you wanted. Go ahead and click on it and then try to get pre-qualified for it. Pre-qualification means that they're not going to give you a hard inquiry. They're not going to give you a hard inquiry when they check to see if they can approve you for it. So if you guys are not going to get a hard inquiry, they can tell you yes or no a lot of times without you getting your credit score decrease. And if they say no, then you just don't apply for that credit card. But it looks like, too, some of these credit cards may ask for a hard inquiry. So definitely check and see. But majority of it, my main reason for making this is so that you can have some where you can go and get pre-qualified for. And I always tell you guys about the main three. It's like everybody, I want you guys to understand this. I tell you guys about the main three. So you got the Capital One. Capital One can pre-qualify you for credit cards. You got the Discover. Discover can pre-qualify you for credit cards without a hard inquiry. And also, you guys have the Navy Federal. These are the three companies that I like to promote, especially if you're looking to build your credit. You want to have a nice foundation to start off with. I always tell people to go to these three companies because they have secure credit cards that can graduate and they can pre-qualify you for a credit card. So if you're stuck and you can't build your credit at all, then you can at least start here. That's my thing. You can at least start here with these three credit cards, see if they can pre-qualify you, and then work your way up from there. And I'll make sure I have something in the comments where I'll show you all the steps, because I made a video of the steps too. I'll make sure I tag it here, and you guys can go through the different steps. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I just was going through my comments and I seen this and I was like, I just need to make a video because I remember just getting all the calls about should they apply on Credit Karma, and they seen a credit card on Credit Karma, should they try to get it or should they go to the website? And now I see the comments in YouTube. It's like, wow, people need to know that it is a greater chance of getting approved if you guys are going to Credit Karma sometimes. And then also I seen that people just need to get approved for credit cards. So here I am telling you guys about them. So if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Other than that, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.